Does it go down? Huh? Did it go down in price? Sí, porque antes tenían como en 725. And now it's like 700 y ahora van a ser 685. Yeah, Papa, like, just like what I said, like, remember you did not want to accept an offer of 685 for the other house? You know, and then I said you were like, picture me here on Valentine's Day.
Is that the ocean from the window?
Picture me here on Valentine's Day.
Sean and BMX hockey.
Okay.
Oh, that's
Bye.